Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome Loyalty Squad, this is the Velvet Locks with yet another awesome video for you today. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to lose 30 pounds in 2 weeks. And this is a super powerful drink that you blend and you drink it twice a day. You're going to see some weight loss, okay? So let me show you the easy ingredients that you're going to need just to do this drink. It's so simple and you found everything in your refrigerator. So let's start this video right now. So what you're going to need for this is 1 cucumber. Okay, now this is a big cucumber, so you can probably cut this in half and use it for the day. You're also going to need a small piece of ginger. Fresh is always better. As well as a lemon. Okay, and you're going to need 1 liter of water for this mix. Okay, so you're also going to need a blender. So we're going to be using our blender today, and let's get started. So what I'm going to do, since this is not organic, is I'm going to strip this cucumber. So I'm just going to cut it in half. Don't need all of it because this is a very big cucumber. Alright, so I'm just going to skin this real quick. And then I'm going to slice it into pieces. If you got a medium to small cucumber, you can use that. Next, we're just going to use a little piece of ginger. Okay, so we're going to be using our blender, our full-size blender. Okay. And we're just going to put everything inside of our blender. So we're going to throw our cucumbers in there. Also our ginger. And now we're going to toss in our 1 liter of water. This is why you need a full-size blender. Okay, so let's blend this up. Okay, wonderful. Now we're going to get our Big Mama mug or Big Papa cup, whatever you got. And okay, now lastly, we're going to squeeze our lemon juice in our cup. Okay, you're going to mix it very well, and you're going to drink it in the morning on an empty stomach before breakfast, and you're also going to drink this right before bedtime. Drink it twice a day, and you're going to see some awesome results in your body. You're going to start losing that belly fat. You're going to start seeing your body slimming down. Whatever bloating you may have, you won't have that anymore. This is going to get all of that out of you. Okay, you're going to drop weight in no time. So try this wonderful detox, cleanse, diet tea, whatever you want to call it, because this works. Do not sleep on this drink, okay? So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. If you want to see more videos like this, thumbs up this video, okay? And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then.
Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.